Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to snooze a group chat on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. This brand new update makes it easier than ever to manage group conversations and take short breaks from chat notifications without leaving the group entirely. Let's get started. First, open x.com in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your main feed page, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see different icons there: home, explore, notifications, and messages. Click on messages to open your inbox. Inside the messages section, you'll find all your conversations, including both individual chats and groups. Now, locate the group you want to snooze. Move your cursor over that group name to reveal more options. When you hover over it, a small menu icon made up of 3 dots will appear to the right. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Among the available options, you'll see one labeled Snooze Conversation. Click it once and that's it, your group is now snoozed. When you snooze a group conversation, new message alerts from that chat will stop showing up in your notifications until you decide to check it again manually. It's a helpful feature if you're a part of an active group but want to stay focused or avoid distractions for a while. You'll still be able to read all messages later and you won't miss any content when you return. To unsnooze the chat later, simply go back to the same group, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unsnooze Conversation. Your notifications will resume instantly. And that's how the new snooze option works for groups on XWeb. It's quick, simple, and great for keeping your inbox organized while staying in control of your time. Try it out and enjoy a smoother messaging experience on the platform.